Today we are going to do an Animoto about being safe online. You're going to need to write down 5 tips about being safe online, and you're going to need to have 5 pictures that you save and 5 text boxes. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to say be safe on the internet, and then I'm going to come and I'm going to save these pictures. So I'm going to click on the thumbnail, I hit the control button, and I click with my mouse and go down to save image as. Now that's not a good name for it right now, so I'm going to call this Internet Safety 1, and then I click back on my browser and I find another picture. Hit the control button, click with my mouse and hit save image as, and again that's not a good name, so I'll call it Internet Safety 2. Click back on my browser, pick another picture. I'm going to hit the control button and then click with my mouse and say save image as, and I'll call that Internet Safety 3. Click back on the browser, and then I'm going to find a couple more pictures. I'm going to hit the control button, click with my mouse, save image as, and that's a good name, Internet Safety. And then I'll save the last one, and then click back on my browser. I'm going to find my Animoto tab, and I'm going to hit create. And we're going to do Animoto memory, so hit create. And then you need to find the template that you want. So if it says premium, you can't use it because you have to pay for it. So just look for one that you like and that fits what we're doing. For instance, you don't want to have the holiday one if we're talking about internet safety. I'm going to click all, and I'll get more examples. And I'll click that one, and I'll say create video. I might click the plus sign and give it a title. I'll call it Internet Safety, Be Safe Online, and hit save. And then I'm going to add a picture, click on the picture, and upload it. Mine went to my pictures file, so I'm going to click the first one, Be Safe Online, and hit open. I'll add the next one, click the plus sign and the first icon for picture, upload. And if your pictures, you can't find your pictures, sometimes it's best to click on these little lines right here. And then if you come over and you click on date modified, you might have to click it a couple of times. It'll come up with the ones you did most recently, and I find that to be easier. Okay, I'll do Be Safe Online 3, 4, and you need a 5th one. Okay, so now we have 5 pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 5 tips now. So to add the tips, you click plus and then the text, and you might want to say tip number 1, don't friend anyone you don't know. And hit save. And now you can move this around like so. Then when you're finished, you're going to hit preview video, and it's going to give you a preview, and you can see what it looks like and see if it's how you like it. If there's anything you don't like, go back and change it. When you're done, hit produce. And I wouldn't call it Animoto Memories Project, I would call it Internet Safety by, and then your name. And then you're going to hit finish. And it's creating the product right there. And right now it's finalizing, so we have to wait a second. And then you go to the download. And at the bottom it says MP4, so you're going to click that. And right now your file is downloaded here. It says Internet Safety by Caden, and then .mp4. An MP4 is a video file. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to go back to Google Classroom and you're going to attach that and turn it in so that I can see them. So I hope you have fun with this. Ask if you have any questions.